Kumita ako ng 1,600 cross tokens by just playing and making a content dito kay Rohan2 Global. Hey guys, this is BM and today pag-uusapan natin kung paano kayo kikita dito kay Rohan2 Global by participating the Crosswave campaign. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Rohan2 Global. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol. No? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon kung paano nga ba tayo kumita ng 1,600 cross tokens by just participating sa Rohan2 Global Campaign. Now guys, yung mga ways to earn on how you can actually make money dito sa game na to by playing, ginawa ko na yan guys on my previous videos and explain ko doon yung differences between new players and existing players na high level. Pinakita ko din doon sa mga videos na yun guys kung paano kayo magpa-farm at ano yung strategy na pwede nyong gawin para kumita kayo dito kay Rohan2 Global. Now, there is a specific campaign for Rohan2 Global right now dito kay Crosswave, and sa mga walang idea, no, bibigyan ko kayo ng idea para at least you can still participate and join doon sa ibang campaigns na hindi nyo pa napaparticipatean dito kay Crosswave. So, as you all know guys, hindi naman sila actually naghahanap ng talagang mataas na subscriber count or what. Kasi yung ibang mga nasa top, like to si Arwel, no, hindi naman ganun karaming subscribers ni Arwel. Pero currently, ang reward na makukuha niya is around 1,810 cross tokens. So dito may mga ibang content creators na hindi din ganun kataas ang following, like itong si Bulk G2. Okay, pero nasa top 10 siya. So basically, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin dito is mag-create ng content at mag-edit ng content para makasali kayo at makapag-participate kayo dito sa rankings. Alright? Now, yung current allocation natin is around $1,671.79. So, if we're going to compute this sa Cross, so search natin, Cross to PHP. So, currently, ang price ng Cross is around 5 pesos and 81 cents or 85 cents na pala ngayon. So, type in natin dito. So, currently, ang kikitain natin kay Cross is around 9,775. Okay, syempre, less pa dyan yung mga gas fees. So, malinaw na kikita tayo ng around 9,000 plus dito kay Rohan2 Global by just participating this campaign. Okay? Now, kung nagsisimula ka pa lang as a content creator, pwede mo naman siyang gawing stepping stone. No? So, the event will actually end within 1 day and 14 hours. You can still participate and join so long as maganda yung editing ng video mo. And at the same time, pinapakita mo yung mukha mo. Kasi I think may edge din guys yung pagpapakita ng mukha dito sa content creation. Pero what matters here is the quality and also I think the views. Kasi kung hindi naman siya sa views naka-base, automatic yan guys, hindi to yung nasa top 10. Kasi yung iba dito, medyo matataas yung views. Okay? Pero kung views yung magiging basihan, di lugi ka na kaagad. Diba? Pero dito, may mga maliliit lang yung subscriber count. Okay? Pero nandito sila sa top 10. So, it really depends guys, no? Kung sino yung magta-top 10 dito. We still have 1 day and 14 hours left to be included sa top 10. Kasi dito guys, meron ding additional event, si Rohan2, wherein kapag nakapasok ka sa top 6 to 10, okay, makakuha ka ng 2,000 cross tokens. Tapos pag 4 to 5 naman, 2,500. So dito guys, additional na siya. Okay, kumbaga, on top of your current reward sa Crosswave campaign, meron ka pang makukuha nito. So, paldo talaga yung top 1 to top 10 dito. Kasi bukod sa allocations nila here, makakakuha pa sila dito sa cross tokens. Now, if you wanna know kung paano kayo magka-qualify dito, you just have to actually create a content and go out of your comfort zone. Kasi baka sabihin nyo guys na hindi naman totoo na may kitaan dito sa game na to. Okay? Well, to be honest with you guys, meron naman talagang kitaan dito, pero you really need to catch up to other players. Kasi yung ibang players dito, kumikita sila by selling cron. Okay, yung iba accounts na yung binibenta, pero pinaka-majority wherein nagkakaroon sila ng parang income is basically by farming cron and selling cron sa marketplace. As you all know guys, dito may cron trade na tinatawag. Okay, so pwede kayong mag-sell dito ng cron. And by the way, merong tinatawag na tradable cron and pounded cron. So, yung presyo ng cron ngayon, medyo bumaba na siya guys. No? Dati, nasa 11 pa to, pero ngayon 8.85 rupees na lang. So, medyo mababa na yung presyo ni cron. But still, tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman yung game. May earnings pa rin naman. And so far, pag isa ka na sa top player guys, pwede ka nang kumita dyan ng up until around, $10 a day. As long as masipag ka mag-farm and marami kang characters na pina-farm. So, ito, kaka-create lang natin ito guys kagabi. Okay, actually hindi kagabi, kaninang umaga lang. Level 39 na tayo. So, yung leveling guide in terms of how I made progress, sasabihin ko na lang sa inyo on the next video kung kaya pa. Kasi medyo malat yung boses natin. But anyway, yun lang naman guys. Wala naman tayong itatago dyan, no, in terms of like how to earn money dito kay Rowan 2 Global. It's just that merong event and of course, we participated sa event na yan. Now, if you want to know more kung ano ba yung worth it na opportunity for you to be able to make money, PM nyo lang ako guys sa Discord, no, para at least mabigyan ko kayo ng proper list. But I think I already provided it on my previous video. Guys, no, meron tayong video dyan kung saan diniscuss ko yung top 5 MMORPG games that you can play as of 2026. And that will make you a big amount of money as well. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much again for your time. And this is BM again. Peace out.